and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Cyclone loss in Sattari and Bicholi touches 1.5 crore rupees. Power and water supply disrupted in storm-hit areas. Many villages still in dark. BJP releases its national manifesto. CM Parrikar's Ladli Lakshmi scheme picked in the document. Parrikar finds mention in top 10 leaders of BJP. Naresh Sawal supports Ravi Inaik in Bicholi for Lok Sabha poll. Promises decisive lead for Ravi. First phase of voting for Lok Sabha polls ends in Tripura and Assam. Second phase of Lok Sabha elections 9th April. Up to 80% voting recorded in first phase. And Kepe urban gold scam case. 15 accused approach High Court for anticipatory bail. Court dismisses plea as probe in primary stage. Now the news in detail. Sattari and Bicholi cyclone devastation loss has touched 1.5 crore rupees. Government officials confirmed that Bicholi was the most affected taluka to be hit due to rain and storm on Friday. 4 days have passed. There is no proper power supply nor water supply. It might take more 2 or 3 days for the situation to come under control.
Sudden rain played havoc in Sattari and Bicholi on Friday. Cashew, mango and other crops suffered heavily due to the storm. Loss of property was also reported. Electricity poles collapsed. Life went out of gear. Now, 4 days have passed, but normalcy hasn't returned to many parts of Bicholi and Sattari. Many villages are still in dark. Water supply has also been affected.
4 दिवस जाले लाईट ना, खूप प्रॉब्लेम, उदकाचे प्रॉब्लेम जाले, नळ ना, उदक वचून पयसच्यान हाडचें पडटा, भुरग्यांचे एग्जाम आसा, आनीक 2 दीस लागतले.
Officials from Agriculture Department inspected devastated farm areas at various places. Department has also begun with issuing of forms for compensation to farmers. Some of them are unhappy about inadequate compensation given to them.
पण ह्याच्या पयलीं जो वादळ जाल्ले तेन्ना आमकां तशी लुकसाण भरपाई त्या पद्दतीन आमकां मेळोंक ना. जे आमी सांगता ते पद्दतीन आमकां एग्रीकल्चराचो फायदो कांयच मेळना आनी ते पद्दतीन आमकां ते दिनाय ना.
Primary loss assessment shows that loss due to rain and storm to the houses have touched 78 lakh rupees.
As of now, I can only say it is around 78 lakhs as far as dwelling houses are concerned, but crop assessment is still being done. Many villages are in darkness still.
Majority of calls that fire brigade received were from Keri, Pariye, Honda, Thane and Nagargaon from Sattari. Fire brigade has still now received 319 calls. 70 to 75 calls were from different houses for rescue operation, while 219 calls were for removal of trees that crashed down on roads, blocking the traffic. Fire officer from Valpai feels that it will take another 2 days for the situation to get normal.
Property जवळ 1 करोडच्या जादा कमी जावचे ना.
Director of Agriculture Department said that everything will be sorted out after Lok Sabha election as majority of the staff is on poll duty.
सगळे आमचे स्टाफ आहे इलेक्शन ड्युटी गाडयो ते घेतले आसा. आता आमी रिक्वेस्ट करून 2 गाडयो बालपोईक मागले आसा. 4 पंचायतीक थोडे स्टाफ बसतले आनी एप्लिकेशनां घेवन मागीर तांचे सांजे आसा ती विजिट करून एक्चुअली पळयतले.
Government officials estimate the loss due to storm and rain to be around 1.5 crore rupees. It might take another 2 to 3 days for situation to become normal. Bureau report, Prudent.
CM Parrikar's ambitious Ladli Lakshmi scheme is national BJP's Ladli now. The scheme has been incorporated in the BJP's national manifesto. BJP's manifesto was released on Monday. Document also clears policy on e-auctioning of precious natural resources like ore and coal. The much-awaited BJP manifesto was released on Monday at party's Delhi headquarters. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar's ambitious Ladli Lakshmi scheme has found a space in manifesto. Parrikar's Dayanand Social Security scheme had earned a similar popularity on the national level. Parrikar, government had launched Ladli Lakshmi scheme in order to provide financial assistance of 1 lakh rupees to the girls on the occasion of marriage. Till now, almost 12,000 girls in the state have availed Ladli Lakshmi benefit. Now, same Ladli Lakshmi scheme features in BJP's National Manifesto. Scheme might be launched nationwide if Modi-led government comes to power at centre. BJP National Manifesto has declared its policy on precious natural resources such as ore and coal. If Modi government comes to power at centre, BJP will move ahead with auctioning of mining leases. This will be applicable to Goa too.
हम पर्यावरण की रक्षा भी करेंगे, हम माइनिंग में ट्रांसपेरेंसी भी लाएंगे। माइनिंग के द्वारा देश के अर्थतंत्र को आगे बढ़ाने की दिशा में मक्कमतापूर्वक कदम रखने की हमारी ताकत है। जो ज्यादा बोलेगा, सरकार की तिजोरी में पैसा देगा, उसको मिलेगा। सही रास्ता है कि नहीं भाइयों? मुझे बताइए, सही रास्ता है कि नहीं है?
BJP released its national manifesto in the presence of party president Rajnath Singh, Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi, Lal Krishna Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, Sushma Swaraj and other leaders. Manifesto finds a mention for construction of Ram Mandir within constitutional framework and BJP's stand of no FDI in retail. Manohar Parrikar features in the top 10 list of BJP at national level. The manifesto cover page indicates so. While Manohar Parrikar's elevation to Delhi is still being debated and discussed, his Ladli Lakshmi and Goa mining has featured in National Manifesto. Bureau Report, Prudent. Bijoli MLA Naresh Sawal has pledged his support to North Goa candidate of Congress Ravi Naik for Lok Sabha poll. Sawal says, "I will abide by the wish of my workers." Sawal supporters are highly upset with the ruling side and have decided to give Ravi a decisive lead in Bijoli.
आमदाराच्या फाटल्यान कितले लोक आसा आणि तीच लीड आमी आमदारान जी घेतलेली, जे फाटल्याची बी आपली वोटिंग जी काढलेली, ताज्याहून चड वोटिंग आमी आयज रवी नायकाक दितले.
दिवचल्यांचे घडटा तो रिजल्ट आसता. दिवचलकारांनी जर ठरयलें जाल्यार ते जावं शकता आणि हाची प्रचिती निवडणुकीच्या रिजल्टा वेळार हांकां येतली आणि तेन्ना खूब उशीर जाल्लो आसतलो.
आयज संबंध दिवचल मतदारसंघातल्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी ठरयल्लें आसा की हे फावटी आमी बीजेपीक सपोर्ट करचे ना, हे फावटी आमी काँग्रेसीक सपोर्ट करतले म्हणून आयज आमी ठरयल्लें आसा आणि लोकांच्या सगळ्यांच्या संमतीन ठरयल्लें आसा की हे फावटी लोकसभेच्या निवडणुकीक आमी रवी नायक हांकां सपोर्ट करतले आणि त्याच बरोबर त्याच्या खातीर काम करतले.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.